Welcome back, friends. Today I'm painting a corner design using a number 4 size flat brush. I'm painting a bunch of flowers using Prussian blue, light blue, golden yellow and white. I've diluted these paint that I've kept in the palette using very little water so that it flows freely while painting. Friends, please watch the video completely so that you don't miss any important points. The fabric I'm using here is a cotton fabric. Now you can paint the same design on any other fabric like linen, silk cotton, organza. I'm painting these flowers in 3 layers. First I'll use Prussian blue, then I'll go for light blue and then white. I'm using Camel Fabrica acrylic paint, but like I've mentioned earlier, you can use any locally available fabric acrylic paint. Here I have fixed the fabric onto a 16-inch wooden frame. Now in case you don't have a wooden frame, you can directly place the piece of fabric on your table or working surface and keep an old piece of cloth or a cardboard sheet below. The only difference is when it dries and when you remove the fabric, a little bit of extra paint will stick onto the surface below. So you should remove it carefully, but the final result will be the same. I prefer painting the fabric on a fixed frame because I feel the paint flows freely. It's much easier to paint. Here I am painting flowers randomly as long as it is a corner pattern. For you, if you're using a larger surface like a sari, pallu or a dupatta, you can increase the number of flowers and buds. This design that I'm painting will look good on a cushion cover, a table runner. So in a cushion cover, the surface is less. You can just add few flowers and buds. I think this design will look good on a bedspread also. Just one corner of the bed sheet you can paint this design and a few flowers on the pillow cover. I usually wash my brush regularly between uses because that helps you to pick fresh paint each time. Now for the next layer of flower shading, I'm mixing light blue and white. Finally, I'll highlight these flowers using white. Now I'll start painting leaves and stem using almost all colors that I have in my palette. You can just watch me picking each color one at a time. I'm using Prussian blue, light blue, black, sap green, golden yellow, white. All these colors are used. Try to dilute the paint with water whenever you feel it is getting thick. I'm using the same number 4 size flat brush here. For thinner lines, I'm using a number 0 size round brush. Center of each flower is filled using golden yellow and white. Now at this stage you can stop painting because it is almost done. But if you have the patience and if you want to make it a little more beautiful, you can start painting fine lines, maybe paint a few more stems, leaves, buds. It's up to you. After you finish painting, let it dry for at least 24 hours and then you can iron on opposite side using mild heat. Please try not to wash your fabric for a week or 10 days. And fabric care includes dry clean, always iron on opposite side. You can wash it at home also using mild soap or shampoo. Try not to dry under direct sunlight and avoid using bleaching agent. Hope you all enjoyed my video and do subscribe. Thank you for watching. Stay safe. Take care.